Okay, so what we have here is a Briggs & Stratton powered pressure washer from Canadian Tire. Um, if you're like me, we were bailing right up until, well, basically winter hit. We were doing pretty good. We didn't have any cold weather, and then all of a sudden the snow came on the 31st of October, and that was it. Winter was on. So needless to say, the pressure washer didn't get put away properly, and I didn't clean it out and blow it down like I should have. And I mean, it was drained and everything. That's fine. Started right up. It was, that was good. Briggs & Stratton. This engine, this 5.5, really is a great little motor for these pressure washers. But problem was that I couldn't draw soap through the tube. So kind of searched around and found out what would be the problem. So I'll show you what I did to fix mine. So this particular one takes a 14 mm wrench. We'll just take this off right quick. Oh, nothing's quick. But, and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so this particular pressure washer takes a 14 mm wrench. So just come in here and take this off. This here little nozzle, it's on the pressure side of your pressure washer. When I did take this off, this whole entire thing was caked in old residue from soap from the past. So what you'll find is when you first open it, there's a spring and a ball, and you can see mine's cleared out now. So what I did was I went and got a gasket pick, and I started to pick the soap out, and then found the spring and then the ball. Took it to the shop, blew compressed air through it, cleaned it out, cleaned all the gunk out of the spring, and then cleaned up the ball as well. And then what I put it back together, and it still wasn't working right because I didn't try it, but you need to clean out in here as well, right in there. So I just used a gasket pick and picked around in there, and then what you do is you turn your water on, and then you'll get, I was going to turn it on, but I won't now. Then you'll get full flow. And play around with that till you get full flow, clean it out, clean all the gunk. The soap makes a little plug, basically, is what happens. So that's really all it took. You can get rebuilt kits for these, although my particular Canadian Tire did not have one. And then just set the ball and the spring back in. Ball in. And the spring, so easy to do one-handed. And just line it up here. Set this back in, and make sure you have your soap nozzle on. And the original ones come with a little baffle on the end of the line. I don't seem to know where my original one is, so I just replaced it with some 1/4 inch clear line. And you can see, just like the other one, you just dip it in the tank. Now, without the baffle on the end, you do go through quite a bit more soap. And we'll get the water turned on and fire this thing up and show you that it's working. Right now, though, I don't have the soap nozzle in, so I better put this in. So the soap nozzle is the black one. It basically is bored right out, and it just allows full flow through the, excuse me while I change this out. Yeah, I have to edit that little bit out. But, yeah, the soap nozzle just allows, or chem nozzle, I'm not quite sure what everybody calls them, just allows full flow through the, this is the high pressure nozzle. Get it set back in there. Just allows the full flow through, creates a vacuum, which then drops that ball off and allows the soap to be sucked through. So we'll turn the old hose on. As you can see, just about all the snow's gone in the yard inside of 10 days. Haven't warmed up. We got about an inch of rain here the other day. Yeah, just give this a tug. Sure that's all I need. So I have watched other creators say that in order to put these away for the winter, what a guy should do is, or a girl should do is, replace the jug here with just some cold clear water and run your hose into it, and then it should clean it out. Now, depending on the soap that you buy, some are more prone to gum up than others, is what I figured out. I do buy pressure washer concentrate. Now, I may end up putting some sort of a baffle in the end of that hose so that it doesn't suck as much through, makes it work a little harder, but who knows. Yeah, anyway, just thought it'd be a quick tip for everybody firing their pressure washer up first thing this spring. Have a great day.